going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today's video I got something different. I've never done anything like this before, never even attempted it. So, at work today, I found this guy sitting on the ground, right? Freaking beautiful shape, awesome patterns on it, right? And then I got this crappy knife, right? So we're gonna combine the two. I think the blade's a little small, but I think what I'm gonna do is cut it here and then take this guy right here, cut a slit like quite a ways down, and then insert this into here like so. But I'm gonna cut about right there. I do know that it stinks really bad and it's really dusty, so if you're making a knife, fucking don't breathe it. Yeah! Just like so. There's a nice little thumb grip too here. Pretty cool. Get this apart. I think I'm gonna drill through this rivet here. Yeah, something like that. I might have to add some heat onto it. There we are. We got it. We freaking got it. Boom! So, now we know how far we need to cut this down. We need a slit about that long in it. Smells so bad. This will work. Hey, yo, don't doubt the kid. Check that out. That's so cool. Let's go. Check this knife out, guys. That is legendary.
I ended up driving a screw through that hole all the way through the back here. This is all I'm going to do to the knife for now. Maybe I'll sharpen it and clean up the blade. There's a little rust on it, but yeah, it's just pretty cool. If you guys liked the video, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, because we're making a bunch of random content. If you're into hunting, fishing, building stuff, welding stuff, adventures and stuff like that, follow along. Peace.